The purpose of an oxygen sensor, O2 sensor, in a vehicle is to regulate the air-fuel mixture, improving fuel efficiency, reducing emissions, optimizing engine performance. Symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor, O2 sensor, in a vehicle can include check engine light. One of the most common signs is the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard. Common error codes P0130, P0131, P0171, P0172 are related O2 sensor. Decreased fuel efficiency. A faulty O2 sensor can cause your vehicle to consume more fuel than usual. Poor engine performance. You may experience rough idling, hesitation, or a lack of power when accelerating. Increased emissions. A failing O2 sensor can lead to higher emissions, which may cause your vehicle to fail emissions tests. Engine misfires. It can contribute to engine misfires or pinging, particularly during acceleration. Foul smell. A malfunctioning O2 sensor may lead to a strong, rotten egg-like odor from the exhaust. Poor cold start performance. The engine may struggle to start in cold weather with a faulty O2 sensor. If you suspect your vehicle's O2 sensor is failing, it's essential to have it diagnosed and replaced by a qualified mechanic to maintain proper engine performance and emissions control. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.